Hi, my name is Ping. Welcome back. Xkite.com. Right, today I'm going to show you a new tool called Social Prospect. Okay, so have a look and see what you think. Right now you can see my screen. All I have to do is log in. Just wait for it to log in. Log into Facebook. Wait a minute. You can see we open up the Social Prospector Pro, which you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, about 11 items which you can use to use for your social prospect. So basically, the first one is here is in your Facebook, you can scan for the last 10 posts that has been interacting with you. So that's quite good. And then you can go up to 100 last posts, which if people that's not been engaging with you, you can just delete them. That's fine. So you got home, inactive, which you can write a message, you can delete them, you can import the list or not. But this is a good one, post friender. Highly recommend. This is you can get 200 friends just like that, recommended, and you can have anyone from USA as well. So what you do here, you just open up the Facebook page, just go to anyone you like. Let me see. Say for instance, affiliate marketing homepage. Let's have a look at this one. Okay, affiliate marketing homepage. Well, as you can see, you've got 213,006k members there. That's a lot. All you need to do is tap on you see the things that is in red. These are the ones that you can see here. Got 6 here. So let's just tap into this one. This is what we do. Okay, and then you can just friend them. A lot of people in there. So what you do is you just press start and see what will happen next. Now the friend is counting, friend request count. Let's come to 0, 0. Post friender, you can just add it like this. You can just say, who's these people? You can click on it, see who their friends are, and you say, okay, yep, I can just add them like that. You can have a look who they are. Okay, they follow you. This is a friend. Just add them like that. Gotta go down, have a look, see if they resonate with what you are doing and what niche you are in. So you've got to follow suit. You've got 88 and 1 mutual friends. So yeah, just like do like that, and then just get out from here, or just click on this one. This is a good one. This one, member friender. I would highly recommend this. This is very, very good one. So you just see how many groups you are in, and then the machine will tell you build up all your groups all together, all in one, and then you can just see how many friends you want to get in your niche as well. Depends on what niche you are in. It could be in a business niche, it could be in jobs niche, or it could be in weight loss niche. Entirely up to you. Just got to wait for the machine to reload. Okay, as you can see, they have found 247 groups that I am associated with. So basically what I do, I go into, you see this, you have ClickFunnels here as well, you have, all this is all the groups that I am in myself. So like network marketing, internet marketing, okay, let's find some friend in this one. What they do, they're going to search. You have like thousands of members. So what you do, just press the start button here, and then they will search for all your friends that you want to add them to your list, which is amazing. It's highly targeted as well, and like I said, they only just join like 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, even like just the first day. So therefore, all the new people that has joined this group, obviously they are looking for something that you want. So they found like out of that lot, they found 91 friends. So what I do is just let them go, and let the machine work for itself, and then you can see, look, 91 friend they found, and these are all new members as well, highly targeted as well. It doesn't matter what niche you're in, you can look for it and you can really get them. Look at it, hours, just an hour, just join 1 hour, join just 1 hour, join 1 hour. These are all the people that are really looking at what you are doing as well, and they're looking at network marketing. Like I said, entitled to what niche you are doing, so therefore you will get highly targeted. Okay, I'm just going to stop there so that we don't bore you. This is a member one, you see. Let's go to another one. I'll show you one more. Okay, internet marketing for beginners. Let's have a look how many we have here. Right, we just press the start button, let the machine do its job. Internet marketing for beginners, that's what we're doing, that's what we are in. See, they have it joining like 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks. They're just running it down now, scrolling down. Now they're just going to see how many they found. $34. See, they found 34 friend requests. This is amazing, you see. Earlier on you found like 91, this is 34. That's 120 people in the space of just under 5 minutes. Isn't that amazing tool, don't you think? So now I'm just going to stop there. So therefore, you can see how powerful this tool is, isn't it? It really depends on how many groups you join and everything and whatever niche you are in, you can get any new people that has just joined. What's this? Advertise your business. Let's see. Let's press this one, have a look. Alright, you've got 33k members. So what we do is just press start and let it do the thing. See, look, join 5 days, 2 days, 1 week, 3 days. But watch, see how many people it finds for you, how many friends I can find for you. 93 friends they found again. Is this not powerful or what? You're telling me that it's not powerful? In the space of like under 5 minutes, you've got like, you can get 200 friends just like that. And all highly targeted to your niche. To your niche. Did I say that? To your niche. But I'm going to stop there. So you know what I'm saying anyway. Next up we have like the messenger. Here you can have as many messages as you like. Just say hello, how are you, and then add a tag here. Say first name, hi, how are you, it is great to connect with you. And then you just add a message and it's boom, done. You can add another message, and also it's all the people that you have found in the last 24 hours. You can do that in 24 hours. You can do it in 7 days. You can do it in 2 weeks. You can do it 1 month. You can do it 3 months. That's how crazy it is, this one. If you say this, I've never seen anything like it. And then you got message remover for the people that you've been talking to, and you can remove them. You got inactive organizer, that means the people that don't engage with you. And you got group inviter, which you can make a group on your own. And you got deactivated profiles, which all the people that, well, deactivated, so therefore it's not around. And then you got this one, which is love hearts, which is, I'll show you. But all you do is just press start here, and then in your Facebook they would tell you how many likes and loves you have. And this is a machine, I tell you, it's automatic. I'll show you how it works. I press start, and now it's going down all my Facebook page, down to the bottom, and working way all on to the top, just to see how many pages that the machine will say love, which is quite a unique tool, I think. Quite a unique tool. I'm quite happy with this one, because even if you do not engage with them, this machine, this tool, will just press love, and when people see that you love them, the algorithm on the Facebook as well will give you a higher rating as well, which is really, really good. So that's something that you should learn. We highly recommend you just do 20 love really a day. That would be more than enough, or 20 at a time, because you can do like 58 or 90. Depends on how many posts you have on Facebook, but ideally you should do 20 love every time. That's it. No more than 20. But we are doing like, they said it's got 58 here, but we are just going to do like one more, and then that's it, we stop it. That is how powerful this tool is. And then you got friend request cancellation tool here. Then you got another auto comment tool, which is, I'll show you how it works. You press start, and then you got to go in here, select. So you go into the Facebook again, and then you've got to go into, really depends on what you want to look for. So you press out this one, and then you press, where is it? Here. And then we've got to look for small business entrepreneur. Yeah, that's fine. You look for that one, and then go down, and it tells you how many, like this. You select this page here, it's in there, and second each one would be, we highly recommend you do like 5 seconds, and then you just add a reply, and you say, hi, it is great to meet you. Thank you for being a friend on here. Hi, it's great to meet you. Thank you for being a friend on here. And then just add text, and it's done. And then you add another one. You can just say, great to connect with you. And then you go, yep. And then you add another one, and you can just say, thank you for being a Facebook friend, and then add a text, and then boom, and then you can put filter in or anything like that, and then start auto comment, and it'll go. So that's it. Yeah, that is it, isn't it? Start auto comment, and boom, it hit that, and it's oh, there you go. Look, get 30. One reply. So look, it's great to meet you. Thank you for being a friend here. Yeah. Great to connect with you. There you are. You see? So it rotates and all that. Can you see the power of it? The power of this machine. It will not be the same. You say thank you for being a Facebook friend. There you are. So therefore, that's how it works. Right, let's stop that here then. Let's get rid of that. And then you've got watch party. This watch party is cool. You can just invite anyone to your watch party. It don't have to be live. It can be recorded. Entirely up to you. Really depends on how you want to do your watch party. People just do it on Facebook when they do watch party, and they just invite friends. But the power of our watch party is even more great because when we do a watch party, we can really build on it. So we start a watch party, and then you just put in a URL or something, and then your video, my video, live, save, and then you can just add people on. That's the beauty of it. Like I said, you added like 220 people in the space of like 5 minutes, and now all those 220 people, you can invite them to watch your party, whatever you're doing or whatever you're selling on your niche. Is that cool or not? That is cool, isn't it? And that's how it works. You see, that add a video, watch party, and then you can just start, boom, publish, and it's done. This is so powerful, guys. It's unreal. And this tool allows you to leave multiple Facebook groups with just a few clicks of a button. This is our new one, so that should be interesting as well. So basically, guys, this is what I'm telling you here. This machine is incredible, isn't it? As you can see, I went through it all, and they do like a free option if you're interested. They do like a $1 get in for a trial, and then you get, and then there's a monthly charge and there's an annual charge. So if you like it, guys, enjoy it and click my link, and then you can get this, no problem. Because what I showed you just now is a tool of the century, really. Because you tell me any tool that can get you 220 people in the space of 5 minutes. It's crazy, isn't it? And it's highly targeted to your niche as well. How good is that? Okay. All right. Thank you very much for watching, and speak to you soon.